And I just set it up here real quick to test it out, but this is the basic setup. On top you get, there's your water. You add your beans here to the top, and that smells delicious. And functionality, when you first turn it on, and mine comes with this nice little frothing container, but when you first turn it on, it does a rinse, and so it will run water through the frother and through the I guess actually brewing port there. I think it waits for a second to heat up before it rinses out the tubes. It just squirts a little bit of water through both the frothing tube and the brewing port there. And so now we're ready to brew. And I'm just going to do an espresso here. You pick your brew. Grinds up the coffee. And there, I think that's packing the coffee. And in the meantime, the water's heating up. And that motor sound was pushing a little puck of coffee down into the waste. And so there you got your beautiful cup of espresso. Delicious. Oh man, I've got a buzz from drinking so many, testing it out. And you can pull this out and then just dump that, any waste you have. And then here's the waste bin for getting rid of your little coffee pucks, the waste from the coffee. But that's the setup. It's actually pretty sweet.